Nickelodeon Bubble Guppies. Big Truck Show! Honk honk! Beep beep! Here come the trucks! A fire truck is red. It has a ladder. The siren flashes. The siren is loud. A dump truck is full of sand. The back goes up. The sand slides out. A garbage truck takes trash away. P.U. Gil and Molly hold their noses. A mail truck brings mail. Goby gets a letter. Jingle, jingle, here comes the ice cream truck. Dima eats a sweet treat. Una and Nani drive a bread truck. Bump! The truck gets a flat tire. Una fixes the flat tire. The bread truck will soon be back and on a roll. It is time for the big truck show. The crowd claps and cheers. There are big trucks. There are little trucks. They are very helpful trucks. Humonga truck comes out. It is really big. Uh-oh! The big truck is stuck in the mud. Zoom, zoom! Here comes the tow truck. The tow truck hooks the big truck. It pulls the big truck out of the mud. Hooray for trucks! Hooray for Humonga truck!